Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. So I purchased this Microsoft Surface Go for $126.50. But before I tell you where I bought it from, let me tell you some of the quirks and features of this Microsoft Surface Go. One of the things I like about this Microsoft Surface Go is that you can use a USB-C to HDMI out to connect to an external monitor. Now they do make a USB-C to dual HDMI, and you're able to connect two monitors to your Microsoft Surface Go. Now if you don't want to have any wires or have anything connected, you can connect wirelessly to your smart TV, Roku stick, or Fire Stick or Fire TV without any wires. So everything you are doing on your screen, you would be able to connect to your TV without any wires. Now the third thing is, if you forget your charger cable, you can always use your USB-C the same one you use to charge your phone and charge the Microsoft Surface Go. Now it does charge at a way slower speed, but you do have that option, which is pretty cool. Alright, so I purchased all of this off of eBay. The case, the Microsoft Surface Go, and the keyboard. And as you guys can see, the reason why I got it for such a good price was because the screen is cracked. Now the screen is fully functional, everything works on it, the touch works, it's just that the screen is cracked. So the digitizer and everything works. Now I got it for $126.50, and I did have to go through a bidding war. There was $15.60 of shipping, and this Microsoft Surface Go has 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. So it's not the cheapest one. It's the one that costs a little bit more if it wasn't broken. So the case, this case I also got it from eBay. If you were to purchase that at Best Buy right now, it would be, I would say, somewhere about maybe $80 to $100. And I got the case for $25 on eBay. So I did an offer, and I put $25, and they accepted my offer. The keyboard, this Alcantara, at Best Buy I believe it is $129, and I got it for $69.99. And I also purchased a screen protector. It was a pack of 3, I believe. And the reason why I put a screen protector is so I don't get shards of glass anywhere on my fingers or on my clothes. And so far, it has worked very well. So I got the screen protectors for $6.49. So for the keyboard, case, screen protector, and Microsoft Surface Go, I paid a total of $243.58. I'm currently on the Best Buy website, and they want $549 for the same specs. So let me know in the comments below if this is something you guys would have purchased. Please hit that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And thank all of you for watching.